What's up, guys? My name's Joe Franchosi. I'm here to talk to you about how media affects us, and I think it does. Personally, I think it does because what we talk about when we're having conversations is media, and we will talk about how like people will post on Twitter and people will post on Facebook, and we'll talk about it. Like we'll have a conversation with people about it because it gives us a sense of comfort to talk to people about it. Like it starts conversation, which makes people comfortable with one another. That's why we use it. We use it as a scapegoat, and it also kind of hits us in a way emotionally and physically, because when you see a movie and you cry, that's physical emotion in media. Even when you, and to a more deeper aspect, if you see like a person's image and you think it's like what you want to be someday, and it's shown as like false consciousness, because usually what you see is skinny people with a bunch of makeup on that are just looking for attention, and that's what you want to be. But that's not always how it is, and people get hit emotionally because of it. And with food, this is a more lighter subject. Food, when you see like Applebee's commercials or anything of that nature, it looks delicious. It like they make it glisten and all this sort of stuff, but like when you get there and you order it and you see it, it's not that appetizing. Anyways, you may ask why, and people in this day and age were subject to media a long time ago, basically out of the womb. And you look at people with TVs in their room at a young age, and it just hits them with a high priority, because when they go to bed at night or when they're sitting in their room bored, they'll watch anything on TV and it'll hit them because it's the only thing going on. And it almost gets into a higher priority than school in a sense, and it will mess with their mind and things, and it just makes their brain act differently than people that started at old that were born earlier in this, even in this decade. And it's just weird to see that. And media and advertising has been around for a while now. So all the companies and all the advertising people, they're all trying to get your attention faster, because that's what they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be attention grabbers. And they've been trying to do this for many, many years. And it's getting harder now because all of these things have came out. And that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to hit your emotions, and they do for most people. Most people aren't smart enough to know. And even without this knowledge that we have now about media, it still hits people hard. And people wonder why they feel depressed all the time. And maybe it's because all they see is people that they want to be when they're older, or within a couple of years or so. And sometimes it's not how you want to be. And sometimes it just hits you hard because of all the emotions that these people hit. And even on the lighter subject of like sports commercials, like you see that and you get pumped up and you want to play these sports and you want to watch these sports, and it's just an attention grabber, and you will watch their show, and that's what they want. They want viewers, they want all of this stuff. And so overall, I think that media does affect us all the time, and I think it can be positive or negative in whichever way you take it. So thank you, guys. Have a great day.